Today, I'm making royal icing that's right in between, not too stiff for outlining and not too runny for flooding. It's simple, easy, and perfect for quick cookie decorating. Let's get started! So for this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of sifted powdered sugar. I always sift powdered sugar because it absorbs moisture from the air. Sifting removes lumps and keeps the icing smooth. You'll also need up to 1/2 tablespoon of water, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and your choice of extracts like almond, vanilla, or strawberry, depending on your preference. We'll need 1 large pasteurized egg white, about 30 grams. Make sure to use pasteurized egg whites so they're safe for everyone. Alternatively, you can use meringue powder, which is an egg white substitute, but today we'll use egg white. We might need a little water depending on the consistency we're aiming for. But first, we'll add the vanilla extract for flavor and set it on this side. Do the same with the salt, and I'll explain why in a moment. Make sure the egg whites are at room temperature, and if you're using carton egg whites, give them a good shake beforehand. Place the egg whites on the same side of the bowl with the other liquids. Now we'll start working with that portion of the bowl, gradually incorporating more of the powdered sugar as we go. This method helps ensure a really smooth, lump-free icing. If you try to mix all the powdered sugar at once, it's harder to work with and may leave lumps. At this point, add a few drops of water at a time. You can always add more if needed. Royal icing is all about consistency, depending on how you want to decorate your cookies. I'm adding 1 more teaspoon of water. There are 2 main consistencies: a thicker one for outlining and borders, and a thinner flood consistency for filling in shapes. At this point, if you want the outline icing, that's all you need. But as I mentioned earlier, I like an in-between consistency. So I'm adding the rest of the water, about a total of 1/2 tablespoon. I also added about 3 drops of white gel coloring first to cancel out the natural yellow tint, keeping all colors bright and true. This is the kind of consistency I'm going for. Not too thick for outlining and not too thin for flooding. It's just right for a quick, simple decorating session without using too much icing. Now, we save some white icing in a piping bag for decorating the cookies, and turn the rest into different colors for fun designs. Coloring the icing, we use gel food coloring, because it's concentrated and won't thin the icing. Liquid coloring can make icing runny and cause colors to look dull or uneven, which is why we stick to gel coloring. Take some of the white icing and place it in a small bowl for coloring. Add a small amount of gel color, mix well, and fill a piping bag. Repeat with any other colors you want. If your icing is too thin, add sifted powdered sugar and mix well. If it's too thick, add water drop by drop until you reach the desired consistency. I'm using a dough scraper to push the icing down to the tip of the piping bag. You can also use a baking rubber band to tighten the bag, making it easier to pipe and control. Royal icing can start to dry and get crisp in the bowl very quickly. To prevent this, cover it tightly with plastic wrap or work in small batches, so it stays smooth and workable. And now, we're ready for the fun part: creative cookie decorating and quality family bonding time. You don't need complicated techniques. Just relax, enjoy the process, and have fun. I'll be sharing a full video soon, from making the sugar cookies dough all the way to decorating them. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. And as always, keep tasting the world, one bite at a time. And I'll see you next time. Happy holidays to all.